Hi and welcome to Rentle Academy. Today we will be looking at the order fulfillment in Rentle. How to find your orders, start your orders, return orders, and modify orders if needed. This and many more useful tips to follow. My name is Aaron and this is Rentle Academy. Let's get started. You can access the orders either from the top of your screen, right here, or from the left main menu here. Your orders are broken down into four main categories: upcoming, active, pending, and completed orders. To move more order from your upcoming orders to your active orders, you need to have products assigned to it, which is something we will look at later, and then start the order here on the bottom right. Let's update the start and end time on this one here as well. Now your order of Lenny Krur has moved from your upcoming to active orders and can be found here. Once he returns his products, you're able to end his order here on the bottom right as well, which triggers the order going from active to completed orders here. Let's have a look at the search and find function within Rentle. You can either find orders by browsing them, since they are always ordered in a chronological way. Another powerful function is searching orders either by names, product IDs, or order IDs. You can also use barcode readers to do this. Another way to find orders is to sort them if they contain certain categories or products. For example, now I'm only seeing all orders out of the category cycling. Sometimes orders might be expired. Make sure to click this checkbox to showcase the expired orders. An order containing multiple people is also searchable by typing any name of the order. For example, if we click on Frida's order here, we will notice that also Franz is included in this order. If we go to the search function and type Franz, you will notice that it will show Frida's order here to us, and when you click on it, you will see also why. If you're looking for completed orders, please make sure to type the full name of someone in the order, as it will not find the order by only typing a few letters. Let's look at the order fulfillment a little bit more. The order fulfillment basically means that we find the right products, assign them to an order, and start the order. We can click on an order once we have found the right order and open it. On the right side we can see general order information, such as the name obviously, of the person who made the order, start time, start date, and the payment status. In this case you can see the order is already paid. On the left side we see the customer information and the product information. As you can see, this order contains 2 cards, equals 2 people. In this case, this is a ski shop which has chosen to take information that helps them to do the rentals or prepare products. They have chosen to take height, weight, shoe size, experience level, or the age group in order to calculate the DIN settings correctly for a ski, equals the binding settings. Once we have chosen the right product for this customer, we can see which product we have to take here. We have taken it out of the shelf, taken it in our hands. We can either manually or by using a barcode scanner, like I'm going to demonstrate now, click into the field and scan the product. The same goes for the second product. Click into the field, scan it. Once we have done that, in this case it calculates the binding settings correctly. If we want to do this manually, we just click into the field and you can see it suggests us certain products, which are the ones that are linked to this here from your inventory. We can choose the product, click in the field, choose the product, and also in this case it might calculate the binding settings correctly in case of a ski rental. Everything's there. Make sure that you give the customer all the articles that are listed here, and once everything is prepared, go ahead and either mark the order prepared if you want to prepare it ahead of time, or if the customer is standing in front of you, just go ahead and start the order. If you want to add products to an existing order, there's 2 ways to do that. You can either click the Add Rental Products button up here, use the search function, and find the product you would like to add to this order. For example, this helmet here. As you will see, you will also get all the information on the availability of the product. Simply just click the product you want and add this to the order. Update the order from the bottom right, and as you can see, the product is now added and the price is also updated. The faster way to do this is by taking the product, physical product, into your hands. Just simply scan the barcode, add the product, and as you can see, it adds the product immediately and updates the price. In the case that your customer shows up early or late and you are about to start the order outside of the originally booked or estimated time, Rentle will warn you about it. As we can see here, it tells you that you're about to start 1.5 hours early, and you have two options here, essentially to keeping the original start and end time, meaning that the customer would still return the products during the time he has booked it, or you can update the end and start time, which often is the case, to adjust it to the time shift that is already taking place. Let's have a short look at the different types of comments you can give in Rentle. There is comments that are based on a whole order, the ones here on the top right, or there's comments which are based on a person. Let's look at the order comments first. Here you can see two different types of comments. The top one is the comment a customer gave of a question you have posed him during the order process. For example, here we have included the question, anything else? And he commented, please set the DIN setting to 8.5. On the bottom, there's the staff comment. You can click in here and edit this comment however you wish and save it. The other types of comments are on order level. Here, down here, if you have multiple customers, you could give, for example, a comment, how is the ski condition? If there is maybe a visible damage, like a scratch on a product you're giving out or something similar. At the same time, we can give certain types of comments within a product. For example, here we have created a comment field for confirming the DIN value to 9. We could also make free text comments. Those are based on the products and can be adjusted in the product settings. Those are the 4 types of comments you can give within an order. All those are not visible to the customer. The only visible to the customer is the customer comment up here. If your customer is asking for an order confirmation, you can print an order confirmation for the whole order up here, where you see all the people included in the order. If the single customer just wants his personal order confirmation, you can print this from here and give this to the customer. You can also email a complete order confirmation from up here to an email address so the customer can get that. This is the same confirmation he should get when he orders online already, but if a customer walks into your shop and does an order within the shop or edits something, you can resend the order confirmation from here to his email address. The order confirmation is not a receipt and does not count as one. If a customer has paid online, he has received a separate receipt, and if he has to pay in store, the receipt will come from the point of sale system.